Rehearsal tracks.
Thank you, Shannon.
Yeah.
Mine was a song in a different language.
Danke, Kristen.
Favorite songs for your favorite show?
Rehearsal
Mixed up
tracks.
is nothing. This midst of a life. Still there's this one thing to see go by.
Thank you.
Hey y'all, my theme was Britney Spears. So I just want to let you know, I'm a fucking princess. Sometimes I run, sometimes I'm scared of you. From transsexual Transylvania.
Rehearsal tracks.
Yes, you are.
There's no way to walk out of here like emotionally sad because you have to feel such a high, right? It's been such a great so just last night I was out there after the show. Tonight, guys, it's packed. So cross your fingers as we get not one seat left, right? My parents are here.
Rehearsal tracks.
Individually today, throughout the day, and so I'll come around and see you guys because every one of you made a special part of this show. Not one less, not one more. You guys have all worked you've worked so hard, and your talents. I know that Mitch and Lori appreciate them probably more than me because this is their lifeblood now. They love this. They love this more than we all love it. They're giving up so much to give you guys this time. So I thank you guys.
Rehearsal tracks.
I mean it. When I say that, guys, I don't just say it because it's like a way of saying, oh, you guys are great. You are. I love each one of you because you're in here.
This is the last show, and I don't like it.
I don't want it to be over. I'm sad.
Oh, don't be sad. Oh, don't be sad.
It's going on Facebook?
Yeah.
Cool!
You got a creeper behind you.
I love Justice Law. I want to be on it. I want to be tagged. You know where it's this.
I do tag you. I always tag you.
Tagged, okay?
Hey,
Amazing.
yeah. Vlog! Zeus! Come see the show! Even though by the time this is up, it'll be over.
It will
But
be
look at my
over.
costume.
I'm actually saying all the words.
It's lovely.
Rock on, guys.
Alright. Anything we need to say before we go?
It's been fun.
Yeah.
Fun. Places for closing.
No.
Bye,
Brandon,
vlog.
we still need to take a picture.
Yeah.
We do?
Yeah, but
We can't do it now.
Yeah, we'll do it later because they called places.
Alright, bye.
Okay, break later.
See you after the show, vlog.
Yay.
You are the things that you've ever seen. going to war and oh my.
Well, you can kiss her real goodbye.
Rehearsal tracks.
Okay. Jungle animal prank. We had a little run-in with the bird girls. Don't tell.
Remember a few, like maybe even a month ago when we asked you to do your Angela Lansbury impression?
Yes.
And you never did it?
The vlog needs it as well.
And I think the vlog needs it today.
I don't know, some days it's not very good.
If you could try it. If it's not good, I won't put it on the blog, I promise.
It's a guest, sakes alive, we'll all be blessed. Wiping Paul and thank the Lord, I've had the napkins freshly pressed. With dessert, she want tea, and my dear, that's fine with me. Well, the cups do their soft chewing, I'll be bubbling, I'll be brewing, I'll get warm, piping hot. Having sake is at a spot, clean up, we want the company in for rest. We've got a lot to do, is that one lump or two for you, our guest?
Yes.
She's our guest.
Yes.
Thank you. That was my answer.
Thank you so much.
Alright. So I realized this yesterday. So it's not, I guess we can't do it anymore because the show's over, but Bird Girls, if you wanted to fart, this is all you had to do.
I know, I'm sorry.
And it would have been great.